she's in love with me. We both are in love.
And
we're
together.
3, 2, 1. We're
Ang
together.
sabi ko na eh.
Nauna kaya. Ladies first naman, gentlemen, okay. So guys, we're together and we're happy. I made her some songs. I made her 3 songs actually. Although long distance kami ngayon kasi because of COVID and all.
COVID.
Pagsubok kami yan guys, it's nothing.
But we're doing good.
We're doing good.
Real
Guys. I love her so much.
Kunyari nagulat kami.
Paano ba yung gulat mo?
Parang gano'n. Ganun.
Honestly guys, 5 months na kami. On August 16. August 20. August 20.
Yep, August 20.
4 more days. August 20. So, we were together March 20. Tapos, yun, August 20 kami. Thank you so much na you believe na we're inspiration to everyone.
Yeah, thank you guys. I hope
So,
we'll be,
I hope you all
like,
guys, I hope you're all happy for us na like this. Kasi sometimes when you meet the right person, when you fall in love with the right person, the right time. Actually, hindi ko lang siya yung at that time eh.
yeah, lumapit na lang siya bigla.
I got
Yung love.
tired of before real love. Tapos, without expecting it, dumating siya. I did not expect that dumating siya.
And it's there.
And right now, I hope you guys are all happy for us now. Because I'm
Thank
happy.
you guys for the support. We're
I'm
both
happy na we're together. I'm happy na we don't have to hide it anymore. Kasi sometimes it's hard, guys, na magtago tungkol sa love and all. Pero if you love the person, go for it. Yun nga, we became brave. Sabi ng parents natin? They approve actually.
Yeah,
They
you're
approve.
good with it.
Yeah. My mom's happy. Her mom's happy. Uy, sino to si Christine? My mom.
A friend ko.
Huh.
Yeah,
Yes, may nagawa
meron.
na nangyari.
Of course.
She's
Tita. Okay, tita. Love you. Good night.
We're happy. At masaya na ako doon na. Ano kayo bukas sabi mga tao na ito bukas?
Wala.
Pero, hindi namin pababayaan yung career namin.
Yes. That's our priority.
That's our priority. Pero we do freaking love each other.
Yep.
So much. That's why,
Kaya ako napapayat, guys.
because of me.
Yung kaya, so, umayat ako.
Pero Ella is tawag dito.
Relationship.
Kahit quarantine guys, kahit COVID, nagpadala pa rin ako sa COVID. Nagpadala pa rin ako sa kanya ng flowers. Show them the picture of the flowers.
Ay, ang layo kasi. Ang layo ng picture. Kailangan
How
ko
about the video of how about the video of ito, guys,
hindi ako makapagpakita kasi ikaw yung nag-host.
pala. Show your Yeah, I gave that to her, guys. Pero masaya. Basta, I just want what's best for her. So, gusto ko siya pasahin every single day. Sobrang gusto ko siyang, kasi mahal ko, guys. Tapos pasahin dyan na naman.
Don't
Nagiging
cry.
emotional ako dito, Nagiging emotional ako, guys. Sorry. Sobrang emotional tayo ngayon. Pero, I don't know. Ang ano ko, ang emotional ko.
Oh, yeah.
I love her.
And I love you too. Okay. Kinilig yung phone ko. So, ayan guys. Okay, kinilig ulit siya.
She's the one, guys. Ilang months ka nang ligaw, Brian? Guys, mag-vlog kami. Mag-vlog kami. Tomorrow. Tomorrow tayo mag-vlog, right?
Yep.
Okay. We will do a poll after this live. Di ba?
Yeah.
A question and answer, right? Alam mo, sobrang sayo na we finally
Sobrang
told
bliss.
everyone. Kasi sobrang, I wanted to put it out of my chest na para tapos na.
Same.
Para we're done.
Yeah, we're done. No more hiding.
No more hiding. Just happy. And everything.
We're free.
We're free.
So,
And I
yeah.
hope all of you na you're all happy for us. Na ganon. Okay po sa parents ni Ella. And okay rin po sa parents ko. And they're both happy. So, yun.
Hi,
Nag-request
guys.
sila. Kakantahan kita sa song lang.
Oh, sige.